Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Now let's provide solution very quickly. Now here by copy what we have 2, okay, x plus 3, okay, x plus 3 to the power 4 to be equal to 32. Okay, now of course this is 2 times, then anytime we can divide. Once we divide here, you have to divide also on this side to get x plus 3 power 4 to be equal to 16. Okay, then second step is to change the position of this number to get x plus 3 power 4, okay, minus 16 to be equal to 0, okay, so that we'll have x plus 3 here. We can square, then square again, minus 4 squared equal to 0. The first hint is to find difference of 2 squares in the equation you have given. Looks like that. Okay, another one is know that this is A and this is B. This will provide x plus 3 squared as A, okay, then minus 4 times x plus 3 squared, then plus 4, okay, then to be equal to 0, okay, so that this will provide x squared plus, because you have 2, is x squared plus 2ab. This will provide a 6x plus a 9, then minus a 4 here, times, because these are the same, you have x squared plus 6x plus a 9 plus a 4 to be equal to 0. Now here this will provide x squared plus 6x. This will provide plus 5, okay, then here have x squared plus 6x plus 13 to be equal to 0, okay. Then here you have 2 equations which are quadratic and we can solve them separately, whereas x squared plus 6x plus 5 will be 0, or x squared plus 6x plus 13 to be equal to 0, okay. So now x1 and 2 will be here negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, okay. Just separate them. Then here our x1 and 2 will be negative b will be, okay, negative b will be negative 6 plus or minus here square root of 36 minus 4 times 1 times 5, okay, then over 2, because a is 1. x1 and 2 will be negative 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 20 over 2, so that here x1 and 2 will be negative 6 plus or minus square root of 16 over 2. Then x1 and 2 will be negative 6 plus or minus 4 over 2. Then x1 will be negative 6 plus 4 over a 2. This will be 2 negative 2 over 2, which equals to negative 1. Okay, whereas here x2 will be negative 6 minus a 4 over a 2. Okay, then this will be negative 10 over a 2 to be equal to negative 5. This is the real solution this equation provides. First equation. Now here we can say our negative b, okay, x3 and 4 will be equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over a 2a. Okay, then x3 and 4 will be negative 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 times 1 times 13 over a 2. Then x3, x4 would be negative 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 times 3 is equal to 52. Yes, this is 5152 over a 2. Okay, then x3, 4 will be negative 6 plus or minus square root of negative 16 over a 2. Okay, then x3 and 4 will be negative 6 plus or minus 4i over a 2. Then by dividing a 2 on both sides due to factorization, this will provide negative 3 plus 2i plus or minus 2i. Okay, to mean that our x3 is equal to negative 3 plus 2i, x4 is equal to negative 3 minus 2i. Then solution set x to x equal to, and we have to start from this one, negative 5, negative 1, okay, negative 3 plus 2i, negative 3 minus 2i. Thanks for watching. See you the next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe.